Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our analysis or our daily analysis. It's Friday, and we have NFP. You know what? Actually, Thursday, which is it was yesterday. The market did not actually go very nice with us. Actually, from Wednesday, we had some trades. Actually, we were holding some trades on FOMC, and then yesterday, which was Thursday, we ended up closing those trades. Actually, we lost actually, so which is not actually really bad. It's not really like bad. But today we have like NFP or unemployment rate. So I think we can choose if maybe we want to trade Canada or NFP. But I think Nasdaq. I think USD NFP. Like I think is the one which can maybe move that much. But maybe on currency pairs, sometimes you have to understand that if the market actually, let's say if we have economic news like this, sometimes they move very nice on gold, sometimes on currency pairs like Euro USD, Usdjpy, something like that. Sometimes, yes, we can actually have some very nice move on US30 or Nasdaq. You see, you have to understand that it's not like we every day we just have to trade with Nasdaq or US30. Some news, I think, like this one, like NFP on gold, can move very nice. You see. So next week we also have to we have we have core CPI. I think it's on Wednesday. Core CPI, it moves very well on Nasdaq and US30. Also on gold. I think it's gonna be Wednesday. It's gonna be Wednesday. So yeah. So beside talking about that, oh guys, I forgot. I thought maybe you can see the screen. Sorry about that. So let me show you that. You can see that today actually it's what is NFP around this area. Let me open the pen. So it's Friday 2:30. So I don't know if maybe we're gonna have a load shedding or what, but we have to go live. We will have to go live. Let's see, power off from 16. Okay, I think we will be done. If they're right, they say the power is gonna go around 4. We will be live actually. So what we see is 2:30. We will be here. Yeah, then next week Wednesday we're going to have CPI, which is very good. We're going to check on that. And Thursday monetary policy for Britain, guys. So before I continue, let me show you what I did today. Actually, I'm already out. I was just scalping with the system. I already posted the video actually with the system. I'll just try to open this so that you can see. Obviously, I think this can record. This is kind of so as you can see, actually we are actually on gold. So the system is plugged and it shows us that actually there I just opened gold early in the morning. The system just showed me that it's about to buy, but very small buy, because I can see now it's pushing a little bit lower. I think maybe it's gonna be around that support before pushing up. But let me show you the can push to the upside. I just bought now. We are actually on 70 rands. It's rands, it's not dollars. So I will show you maybe in few minutes as we lost actually yesterday. Maybe we can recover. Let's wait and see. It seems like without taking a longer, the market is now paying me. The system is there. You can see I've been talking about the system. If you want the system, guys, it's actually $50. So if you want the system, let me know. So I'm getting out. Maybe I'll get later on because I think slowly I will be recovering. So thank you very much. Bye. Yes, yeah, that was actually the system. So if you want the system, it's only $50. And if you want to join the team, I already think maybe you saw what's really happening here on the screen. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me if you want to be part of the team, the signals. I hope you can just join the lifetime, because you will recover that within a month or two. So yeah, if you want the system, as I told you, you can just join you get the system for only $50, and then that price is gonna go up very quick, I know. So yeah, let's see what's really happening on the screen. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What's really happening on the screen? We can see that we are actually on Euro USD. The market is actually pushing to the upside. So, but where it is now, we are actually at the center. What I see is the market seems to be going to create a wedge around that area. So it means like the market might just play around like this until we see a very nice breakout up or down. But with this type of the market, we still have the bank crisis. I don't think the market might move that crazy. I don't really see the market going crazy. I think everyone will be actually checking the banking crisis and also maybe next week CPI, because that is the gauge if actually for inflation, if the prices are still going up or down. And if maybe the prices are going down, that is going to be good actually. Then it's where we're gonna see the market trying to pick up, because that will help us to understand that maybe around June they're not going to increase the interest rates, FOMC, the one that we actually lost a day before yesterday, you see. So what's really happening on Euro USD? As I'm going to be as quick as possible, I think the market can still push a little bit lower, play around this area, maybe before we see some breakouts up or down. We don't know where the market will be primed to break, but since the market is actually showing us that I'm on an uptrend, we are actually on an uptrend, there is a chance that the market can break this resistance and keep pushing to the upside, you see. So that's what I think. So let's push to the next one. We're not going to waste some time. We are on on USDJPY. What's really happening? We are actually on a very nice time frame. It's 4 hours time frame. You can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually on this very nice support area and it's uptrending. You know what? You still remember when we talk about this style, if we did hold that, we're just going to eat very nice, because we saw it while it was around this area. If we did hold, obviously we're just going to make some very nice profit. But you know what? Sometimes we're going to miss some very nice opportunities. We are going to miss some opportunities and we have to make peace with that. Already I sent the signal in the group, as you can see there. I think the market might start to push the upside around the support area. Actually, this is supposed to be a little bit lower than I think the market can respect this area and start to push the upside. Plus, the market has been actually pushing down. But what we know is we actually reached our support area. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To bounce back. Maybe the market might bounce back until NFP. So we will see. We will see what will happen. Actually, we will see what will happen. Actually, yesterday I wanted to go live, guys. I wanted to go live. To be honest, I wanted to be here on the live session. It's not like maybe we had a load shedding, but you know what? Those trades actually, they just drained me. Those losses, I wasn't happy, and I wasn't just going to go live while not happy. I said, you know what? It's fine for today. Let me just take a leave, then tomorrow I will continue with my thing. Sometimes the emotion, they can hit you, especially in the market, because we lose real cash. Sometimes it's normal to be down, guys. It's normal to stress sometimes. Don't just act like you're a Superman and say, oh, I don't stress. No, we still patient, we still consistent, we still dedicated to what we do, but sometimes you have to take a pain. You have to just relax and enjoy the pain, then, and know that, you know what, tomorrow might be a different day, you see. That's what I did. Sometimes you don't really have to act like you're too strong and then act like nothing happened. Sometimes it's better to feel the pain and say, you know what, I don't really want that to happen again. So what's really happening on US oil? Unfortunately, when I lose, I get out of the market, so that I don't really go back and try to trade or end up taking unnecessary trades, or sometimes you just see opportunities where they are not supposed to, like, you just trade, unfortunately. So I just get out of the market, and sometimes you miss some good trades. I see this one here, US oil, actually it pushed lower, very nice. So it seems like the market actually respected our previous support. You can see that we had a support there and the market actually respected. So I think I have to remove this. The market did not actually respect that that much. But what I like is it shows that yes, the market is doing what? Is following this downtrend. The market is downtrending. Yes, from this area there is a chance for the market to do what? To push to this resistance here before maybe we see another push. Or maybe, as you can see here that we have a downtrend line here inside, or a counter trend line. Maybe the market might come around that area again and just continue like that. But what I know is we are on a very nice downtrend and we're supposed to look for those sell positions. I hope you understand that. I hope you understand. It's gold. After I took out the profits, it seems like gold is pushing lower, but obviously I can see that the market is bit higher. The market is bit higher. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening. Let's see. Oh, it's pushing lower. I actually took a right decision, but it's quite straightforward because the market, the time we had FOMC, the market was around this area. Then the market pushed up, actually came back again, pushed up again. So yeah, we see that the market is seriously high. So what I see here is maybe around this area, that might be the new maybe support, we don't know, and that might make something. You see, that might be something else. If maybe the market respect that. Remember, later on we're gonna have NFP, so maybe this area might be something. Maybe the market might end up pushing to the upside. The market might be pushing to the upside because it shows that the market is aggressively pushing to the upside. I thought maybe the market was going to respect this, but the market actually pushed above that, and I obviously it's actually a breakout. You can see the market broke out, but not exactly on that level because the market just playing around this area. So yeah, it means like the market did not even try to respect that. So we're just waiting for the market to give us a proper support. Maybe that proper support might be, let me try this on 2 hours time frame, maybe around this area. Let me put this thing here. Maybe around this area might be something. Maybe around this area might be something. If not, maybe we'll see the market trying to push lower again. But for now, I think it's much better to wait. The market actually did push like seriously high. So there is a chance for the market, or there is a room for the market to push low. Another thing is, since the banks are struggling, obviously one way or another, gold is going to actually push higher. Gold might push higher more than that. So yeah, you have to think about that also. So US30, US30 is pushing up. US30 is also playing games with us. Let's go on 4 hours time frame. It seems to be going back again. Let's maybe use daily time frame. This is also another thing that made us to lose a little bit. So what's really happening? Yes, the market is actually pushing lower. We are actually on a downtrend. You can see that. So the market did actually respect this resistance here, but the market was around this area. Pushed up a little bit. Obviously we were in a bit of a smaller profit, then the market pushed lower again and started to move very slow. Around this area, it was another support area. Actually, we thought maybe the market was going to respect that, as the news were not that bad. But the market kept pushing lower. So now we can see what's really happening. It seems like the market is trying to go back aggressively, and yeah, we're not going to entertain anything. We're just going to relax. So around this area, obviously it's also another area that we can point out. Where the market is now, sometimes the market can just confuse you. There is a chance that the market can do what? The market can push a little bit up and come back again. Why? Because with a trend line, if we're going to use a trend line, we can easily see that the market actually broke out. Okay, let me just push this one. Something like this. You can see that. So you can easily see that the market was pushing up. Yes, we can see that it was creating sort of a wedge. Then the market came around this area and started to push up. Again, the market pushed up a little bit, before selling. That's why we thought maybe the market was going to buy. Then after, you can see that we see that the market actually broke out, and then the market retested again, is pushing lower again. So around this area also, it seems to be another area. So there is a chance for the market to touch this area and push lower, or maybe to touch this area here and push lower, or the market might be trying to push the upside. If you know, April, they reported their earnings actually, which they beat the estimates, which means the results were much better. They say the sales in China, they were much better than expected. So the sales were very high, which everything actually means is good. So now the market is pushing up and on a downtrend. So sometimes it's confusing whether to buy or whether to wait, because we are on a downtrend, which shows us, just look at this bold bearish candlesticks. They show us that yes, we were on a bearish momentum, and the market is just creating this nice moves, you can see. So there is a chance that the market is creating this type of a move and continue like that. So we're just going to wait and see if maybe we're gonna have any chance. I think we can start to buy if maybe the market breaks above this area. Then we can say, okay, the market is no longer under that pressure. Now we can actually think about buying, you see. So I hope you understand that, and if you still enjoy the content, you can smash the like, subscribe, and yeah. So what's really happening on gold, or on Nasdaq? Sorry, not gold. The market, guys, the market is creating these crazy structures. Sometimes they end up confusing us, you see. So, but since we had a sell, it was not that bad actually on Nasdaq. It was like aggressively bad on US30, but on Nasdaq, since Nasdaq has nothing to do much with the banks, did not suffer much. That's why we saw some crazy sell on US30, but it seems like it's recovering now. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? I think with this support area here, I think we can have a clear view of what's really happening. Yes, the market is actually trying to push the upside, you see. So yes, we had a sell. Now it seems like the market touched our sell. It seems like maybe we're ready to push the upside. So, and with the bad news along the way, sometimes you just get confused. So what we're gonna do here is, since this is a support area and this is also a resistance area, so there is a chance for the market to just repeat the same thing actually, and say, you can see this area actually, it's been something actually, you see that. So that can be something, and mostly the market can respect that. So even here, there is a chance for the market to respect that again and push lower. So for us to say maybe we're gonna buy, it's better to wait for the market to do what? To push above this area. Then we can say above this point, this resistance, it's where we might think about buying. I hope you understand. Smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Remember, if you want the system, it's only $50. And if you want to join the team, the winning team, there is the pamphlet, our pamphlet, and then you can choose which subscription do you want. So yeah, just let me know. So thank you very much. I think this video is getting longer and longer, so thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the live session. Thank you.